And here, this is home screen of application. And at the top here, all you have to do is enter your prompt or any idea that you have in mind or anything that you want to generate using AI. So if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on the bulb icon here and it will generate something for you. So down here as well, you can select whichever style you want the image to be in. You can tap on see all to see all the styles that are available. Some of them you may need subscription to use. You will see a crown icon. That means that style will require a subscription for you to use or access. Here, let's say for example, I want a tattoo. I'm gonna select that option here. So the settings icon here beside of the create, you can select that option here. Let's say you want to use that image as reference of the image that you want to generate. You can upload an image or take a picture right away. Here you can also select your aspect ratio, and as well some of these features here do require subscription. As you can see here, remove watermark. If you don't want any watermark on your image, going to need a subscription. And also you have other advanced settings down here as well. So once you have finished setting up everything, and as well you can change the model. The model give you a better result as it relates to image. So once you have selected everything that you need to select, you just tap on apply and you're pretty much good to go. And then you tap on create. We'll start creating your artwork. You may see an ad. As I said before, you're going to need to watch an ad to generate your image. And as you can see here, this is the image generated, and as well here's the next image generated. So as you can see, it's crazy clean. So if you want to remove the watermark down here, you pretty much have to get the pro subscription that they offer. So as you can see here, I can as well edit or tap on the pen icon here to recreate something else if I don't like the image being generated. Or I can tap on the circle icon down here to generate something completely different if I don't like what they have generated. At the top, you may see a high resolution option. You pretty much have to enable that feature, but you will need subscription to get that feature. So you can always go ahead and download that image or share it to your friends and family, whatever you choose. So that's pretty much it for that option there. And the AI avatar option is just you uploading one clear image of yourself to get multiple results of you being a cartoon character or superhero, basically, as you can see here. So I'll tap on try. Now you'll be able to select. They're just giving me a run through of how the photos should be uploaded for you to get the best results. You need up to 10 to 20 photos for you to get the best results. So once you have selected your photos, you're pretty much good to go. It will go ahead and generate all the images for you. So at the top here is where you're going to get your pro subscription, or you can say pro. That is where you will see the subscription pages. You can see the prices and everything. And they do offer a 3 days free trial, so you can test out their app, their pro subscription. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Nothing much settings section here, nothing much for that. You can enable dark mode. So if I miss anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to see you in the next tutorial. Stay tuned.